This is a tutorial on how to replace the ePaper display in your Aranet4 CO2 monitor. First off, you need to find a T6 or T6H Torx screwdriver. I am using a specialty set here, and I'm going for a T6H just because I don't have a T6, and the only difference is that the T6H has a security hole in the middle. The Aranet does not use security screws, so that is completely irrelevant. Then I go ahead with removing the batteries and removing the two screws. With the screws removed, open up the enclosure by pulling the front part of it away from the back. Now you will be able to access the ePaper display, which is being held by a ribbon. Go ahead and lift the ribbon connector. Here I am showing the position tabs that are used to keep the display properly in place. Note that there is no adhesive here and nothing to snap into other than placing the display firmly against these positioning tabs. Grab the replacement display and place it face down. Then align the ribbon into the ribbon connector and push down on the ribbon connector lever to snap the new display into place. With the new display connected, align the screen along the positioning tabs of the top part of the enclosure and reinsert the batteries to test the unit. It takes about 15 seconds for the unit to boot up again, and now we're confident that the screen is properly communicating with the device. It is now time to reinstall the screws. That's it. That's all there is to replacing the display in your Aranet. Part numbers and tool suggestions are linked in the description.